a pencil that hangs in the air and rotates there too? Want to make it? Take an old rubber slipper and make 3 cuts. Place a coin in one cut. Slip 2 ring magnets on a sharpened pencil. Now fit 2 magnets in the front of the rubber. The front pencil magnet must attract the front rubber magnets. The rear pencil magnet must repel the 2 rear rubber magnets. Now align and adjust the magnets. The first magnets attract the pencil magnet. The rear magnets repel the pencil magnet. Place the pencil and try to suspend it. For this you may have to shift the pencil magnets a little. Twirl the levitating pencil and it will keep turning for a long time. Next, stick a taper strip of paper on the pencil. Stick the spiral to the pencil. Now give it a twirl and place it back. This enhances the effect of the spinning. The amazing pencil spins, levitates and writes too. Amazing!